The importance of mental health, how to manage stress and anxiety. Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, mental health. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of taking care of your mental health and share some tips on how to manage stress and anxiety. We all experience stress and anxiety at some point in our lives. It's a natural response to challenging situations, but when it becomes overwhelming, it can have a negative impact on our mental health. That's why it's important to take care of your mental health, just like you take care of your physical health. Here are some tips to help you manage stress and anxiety. 1. Practice mindfulness. This means being present in the moment and focusing on your thoughts and feelings without judgment. You can do this through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking a few minutes to be still and quiet. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a great way to reduce stress and anxiety, as it releases endorphins that boost your mood and energy levels. You don't have to do anything too intense, even a short walk or yoga session can make a big difference. 3. Spend time with loved ones. Social support is crucial for good mental health, so make time for friends and family. You can also join a support group or talk to a therapist if you need more help. 4. Do things you enjoy. Whether it's reading a book, watching a movie, or playing a game, make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. 5. Practice self-care. To practice self-care by taking care of their physical and emotional needs. Suggest that they take breaks when needed, eat healthy, and engage in activities that promote relaxation and well-being. 6. Avoid unhealthy coping mechanisms. To avoid unhealthy coping mechanisms such as substance abuse or overeating. Suggest that they find healthier ways to cope with stress and anxiety, such as exercise or talking to a friend. 7. Be kind to yourself. To be kind to himself and not to be too hard on himself. Suggest that they practice self-compassion and treat himself with the same kindness and understanding they would offer to a friend. 8. Remember that it's okay to ask for help. To remember that it's okay to ask for help and that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Suggest that reach out to a trusted friend or family member if they need support. 9. Manage your time. Feeling overwhelmed and stressed is often a result of having too much to do and not enough time. Prioritize tasks and delegate responsibilities when possible to help manage your time more effectively. 10. Finally, get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for good mental health, so make sure you're getting enough rest each night. Try to establish a regular sleep routine and avoid screens before bedtime. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. By practicing mindfulness, exercising. Conclusion. Remember, mental health is just as important as physical health, and taking care of yourself is essential to maintaining good mental health. By prioritizing self-care, seeking support, and finding healthy outlets for stress and anxiety, you can improve your overall well-being and live a happier, healthier life. Information disclaimer. This video contains general medical information. The information in this video is only for educational purposes. The medical information is not advice and should not be treated as such. You must not rely on the information in our videos as an alternative to medical advice from your doctor or other professional healthcare provider. My channel Health Tips by Shah Ji provides valuable information on how to stay healthy and fit. You can learn about the latest health trends and tips to help you stay healthy. Health Tips by Shah Ji is the perfect resource for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being.